Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we shall learn mental ability and reasoning type of questions for all the competitive exams related. Before moving to the topic, if you're watching this channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon along with all button so that you will get the notifications of all the videos we post here related to maths, science subjects for TET, Central TET, GPSTR exams. Okay, so come, let's move into the topic. Identifying the number of geometrical figures, especially for triangles now, we shall see in this. So here we are going to learn little easy method to find out the number of triangles for the given figure. Okay, let us check out with this triangle. So if they are given just a line like a vertical lines like this, okay, which starts from up down like this, vertical lines. So nothing else is given like cross lines, now horizontal lines here, only those just plain lines, okay, straight lines. And we have to segregate them from the bottom. We have to check it out and just put the number. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 portions. So what we have to do, from bottom we have to count the number of triangles here. So 6 we got. So we have to add those. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 21. Okay. There is another method. If it is given only like this plain figures, we can also take the highest number here 6, multiply with the next number 6 into 7 divide by 2. Okay, gives us the same. The answer is 21 triangles in this figure. Okay, if we sit and calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's difficult to calculate. Find out the number of triangles here. These are easy methods. Next, if it is of horizontal lines, just plain horizontal line, nothing else is given, no crisscross lines here, just horizontal lines for this. So we have to check out for this number of horizontal lines to find the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. Hence, there are 5 triangles in this figure. If you want, you can check out in the normal method also and check out. If it is with the vertical lines, if it is horizontal line, mixed. If it is like that, first we have to check out with the base. Okay. In base, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second, go above. In the upper base, we have 1, 2. You can still move further on moving upward. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. So we can calculate like this from the base first part. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. On moving to the second one, 1 plus 2, which is 3. Next is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which gives us 6. So add up all this, you'll get the answer as 24. Any type of triangle, if it is given like this with the vertical and horizontal line crisscross inside the triangle, to calculate this. Okay, easy. Next, if it is triangle inside a triangle, okay, how many other triangles are given in this pattern? You have to check out first for the outer triangle. That is, you can just write the numbers 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 for the outer part. So 3 plus this big triangle 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Next, the second triangle you take inside. 1, 2, 3 plus 1. So 4. Next, last inside you see there is one more triangle plus 1. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 gives us 9. There are 9 triangles in this figure. If it is given in case of a square or a rectangle and inside there is a figure, we are following another pattern to find out if this figure is given. Let us take out the outer part first, okay, and just write the numbers for these triangles. For the outer bigger ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Then multiply this with 2. 8 2s are 16. Next, inside there is a small square. It seems like a rectangle. For that also, like same way how we did for the outer one, we have to do So just check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triangles we find inside. Multiply with 2. 8 2s are 16. Add up 16 plus 16 gives us 32 triangles in this figure. Okay. In those days when we were attempting those competitive exams and all, when we have completed, we didn't have most of the media like this. YouTube and all is not exposed much. Okay. So we were like practicing many of the triangles. So as the days passed, people started identifying new tricks. Okay, so it makes us easy to attempt the competitive exams. Let's learn few more sums related to this. Okay, if it is given like this pattern, observe this carefully. This diagram follows two type of pattern. You see this pattern like a square pattern, which we just now we have solved, and the upper part also we have solved. Okay, so what was the answer for this pattern? That was 32 we got just by the previous one, and the upper part you take with the vertical line, just a plain triangle with a vertical line. So we have 1 2, so 1 plus 2 add up 3, so answer is 3 triangles. So 3 plus 32 gives us 35 triangles in this given diagram figure. Cleared? Okay, so if it is a small little triangles inside a big triangle, if it is given how many ever triangles, if they give also easy method to calculate. Okay, there are two methods to find out. I'll tell you now. Just check for the base. Okay, just write the numbers for the base only, provided that the base has to have the triangles. Okay, check it for that triangles. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 portions of the triangle we have. Only like this you just draw 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so n is equal to 6. If it is even number, if n is equal to even, we follow a different formula. Suppose if n is equal to odd number, if n is equal to 5, we follow a different method. Okay, and the formula to calculate for the number of triangle is, if it is even number, which is equal to 1 by 8 of n into n plus 2 of 2n plus 1. Okay, you have to remember this formula. 1 by 8 of n into n plus 2 of 2n plus 1. Just substitute the value of n. 6 here, again 6 here, 6 here, and solve for this. 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, we got this step. 8 ones are again 8 ones are get cancels. Multiply 13 into 6. Okay, so which gives us answer as 78. Suppose if it is n is equal to odd number, so we can substitute for the formula. Slight change from the above one, just everything is the same except this minus 1. 1 by 8 n of n plus 2 of 2n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, that is the formula to substitute, and substitute for n value as 5 and solve for n. The same method, n, that is 5 of 5 plus 2 of 2 into 5 plus 1 of minus 1. Be careful while multiplying with this brackets, use BODMAS rule. Already we have made a video based on this BODMAS rule for basic mathematics, the number system. Please check the description box for the link, and if you want for more clarification, check it out for that. And solving this, 5 of 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 5s are 35. Again here 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 and minus 1. Now 35 into 11 minus 1. You can multiply like this also. Multiply and then subtract minus 1, which gives us 384. Divided by 8 gives us 48. So you can ask a lot of things. Here only we have to waste a lot of time here. Substitute and calculate. If you are good at memorizing, there is one more trick also. If it is the number only 1, you can write only 1. If it is like this inside a triangle, if there are two triangles at the base, okay, if they follow this pattern 2. Final answer will be 5. If it is 3 up to here, 13 is the answer. If it is 4 up to here, this pattern, 27. If it is for 5, 48, just now we have calculated. If it is for 6, 78, memorize that. If it is for 7, 118. If it is for 8, 170. You can also calculate for 9 and 10 for more references. Okay? Easy, right? We shall solve one more question, and this question is given in the model question paper of GPSTR exam 2022 in paper 1. Okay, so check for this diagram. Here there are vertical lines as well as horizontal lines inside the triangle. So what we have to do, we have to check for the base and add the number of numbers here, that's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Then move upward. Again we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, don't check for the triangle. Actually, it's not necessary that it has to be triangle in shape here. Actually, this base is not for the count. We count for this triangles like this. Okay, and so 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 again gives us 10. Then moving upward, we have 3, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives us 6. Again here you see small one, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Here only 1 plus 1. Add up all this, answer is 30. Okay, so okay, in the following classes we'll also have a glance of this mentalability type of questions from paper 1, which will be useful for other competitive exams also. Since these are related to mathematics, we will try to solve those along with that. Okay, slightly different from the regular concepts. So keep watching, support us. Thank you for your support, and if you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much.